Good evening and welcome, you lovely people out there. I am Dr. Suhani Mendonça and I welcome you to my talk show, Tete a Tete at Suvi's Power Meet. Today, I am indeed honored, excited, and I don't know what not because my guest who's here today is a Wonder Woman, is a superwoman, and who has touched so many lives. She doesn't believe in hundreds, thousands. She only believes in lakhs. And she believes in supporting them, changing their lives, and making them absolutely financially independent and independent as a whole. Well, without much ado, let us welcome the one and only Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, who is
Thank
the
you. Thank
MD
you.
of One Line Wellness, the founder and MD of One Line Wellness, and as well, she's got a lovely spa, which is called the Caressa Spa. And a lot to say about her. So I'd like to introduce her formally to you, wonderful people. As I was telling about the numbers, I told you, that she doesn't believe in in just few. She believes in helping society as a whole, as they always say. So uh, here is Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, who believes that when you believe in you, when you believe that you can achieve, you will achieve. A business leader in premium beauty and spa products. Today, she is really ruling the roost, and a village housewife to a global business leader. What a fantastic journey! Wow. She is the global wellness ambassador. She has become the face on the global platform, and she is a wellness tourism pioneer and wellness crusader. She's a motivational speaker. She's an inspiring philanthropist. She is a leader in the rural, especially in the rural areas for skill development. And she has done some wonderful work during COVID 19. As they say, some journeys can change lives. And that's so very true for the one and only Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. So, without much ado, let's start our conversation. Can we start with your permission, Dr. Rekha? Yes?
Yes, yes. So thanks for the lovely introduction.
Uh, Dr. Rekha, we have to know from you. You have done such wonderful work these last few months of that we have been into this COVID 19. Of course, it frazzled all of us because we never knew that the world would stop one day. We never thought of it. But you continued doing your work. You met with Sri Gadkari Sahib, and please tell us more about it. We really want to know. That is because of you. I mean, lakhs of lives have changed, and that too during this pandemic. So please tell us about
Thanks a lot for inviting me on this platform. This is a lovely, lovely introduction what you have spoke about, and I'm really grateful.
it.
Of course, the pandemic period is not the reason for my social work. Social work is the I would say it's in my blood, and it comes from my father. He's actually the ideal for me for doing the social work. So whenever it comes to the social work, it's not like specifically you have to do for the particular area. So where it's related with the pandemic period, if I have to talk about that,
Right.
so I just saw the challenge what every industry was facing, and of
Right.
course the human being was facing, and till today we are going through this pandemic.
Totally. Yeah.
But when it came to the as an individual is a different scenario. But when it comes to the industry, so industry is suffering a lot due to that. Lakhs and lakhs of people are suffering. And that's
Right.
what happened with our industry, beauty and wellness industry. 70
Right.
lakh professionals were suffering because our doors were closed.
Right. Right.
We could not open our salons, we could not open our clinics, hairstyling areas or spas and everything. So the related with the Gadkari sir, what I was trying to do, because I knew that is our industry follows in the MSME sector, because our industry has more than 70% women oriented. Top
Right.
of that, we are 70% organizations are below 200 CR, and that's how they
Right.
follow under MSME. That's how I started, connecting with Honorable Gadkari sir, and of course I'm thankful to him. He has really helped us a lot to reopen our industry.
Super.
Reopening our industry along with few players from my industry, like Lakme CEO, YG CEO, and ND CEO, and Kaya CEO. All of them we work together. Be blunt, all of them we work together, and we have made like we did such a kind of presentation where we all of us are
Right.
ready to follow the certain guidelines, and
Right.
that's what their concern is. Why not to open? Because the spread should not happen from the
True. True.
industry. And that's what we did. We designed
Right.
our own hygiene and safety guidelines, and that
Right.
hygiene and safety guidelines, I'm thankful to our industry players. All of
Right.
them have come together, and they help us to they design this safety and hygiene guidelines. And that
Absolutely.
guidelines, along with that, everything we presented in front of the Gadkari sir, and he
Right.
has helped us to reopen these saloons and
Right.
spas in all over India. And
Right.
due to that, lakhs and lakhs of people are, thankful to him, because we are more than 1 CR, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs professionals. And they are
Wow.
offering the further job to other professionals. So can you
Right.
just imagine? So many
Yeah.
people were suffering,
People
and
are
they
there.
got the chance because of the reopening of this our industry. So
Wow.
I collected all the players together. We all work together, and we approached to the Gadkari sir, and I was
Great.
initiating that. But of course, I'm thankful to all my colleagues. They industry players or industry friends. They have helped to happen these things easily, and that's what industry is reopened today. So
Wow, I mean, kudos to you, doctor. What a fantastic initiative, The fact is that, at a time like this, to provide opportunities is a
right.
big thing, I can totally, I mean, I salute you all. Really fantastic. What an amazing initiative. Getting everybody together, then approaching Gadkari Sahib, and then, getting everything done. Awesome, fantastic, superb, this is really, really wowsome.
Thanks a lot.
Well, yeah, and you have been if I, when we were conversing also, and even when I was reading about you, Times has recognized your work, that you have been doing during COVID-19. So please tell us about it. That was a huge recognition that you got.
So yes, of course, recognition I got from many places, and of course, thankful to the Times Group.
Right.
They have been able to see my work. So work is related with the pandemic again, and this is one incident I told you about the industry. Apart from
Right.
that, I started the mission is called the Parasmani, and Parasmani mission is based on the Parasmani stone, which touch to the each other. If like you must have heard about the story in
Yes.
the
Yes.
childhood.
Right.
The
Right.
stone which is touching to any live or unlive elements, it
Right.
becomes convert into the stone, gold. And
Cool.
when we were child, we were thinking, oh, this stone, if I get, I will become rich, because I don't have to work, and I will just touch with that stone, and then
Right.
work is done. That's what we were dreaming about that. But
Right.
today, when as we grow, we see, oh, there is no stone existing. So what was the meaning behind that stone? That
Right.
I was searching, and I could find a beautiful meaning behind this stone. It is
Right.
basically, make your soul pure, make
Wow.
yourself pure. and with that holistically,
Right.
you touch your life with other life,
Right.
inspired, and that life will again inspire other life again, other life. So
Wow.
this chain goes one by one to
One by
moving
one.
to the continuity with the numbers. So this
Right.
behind that meaning behind that stone, which I could find, and what I did after the as the we got locked down, I
Mm.
started. I knew lots of lakhs and lakhs of people will be losing the job today. Newly, just locked down. What we are thinking. Okay, it will just in a month we will get solution 2 months. But I don't know. Somehow I knew that is this is not going to finish within a month or 2 months. It will go at least for a year. And that's
Right.
what then immediately what I did. I started Paras Money Mission, where I started encouraging, motivating,
Right.
and educating the all the wellness skill force. I
Right.
made almost 500 500 WhatsApp groups, and
Wow.
this 50,000, more than 50,000 people were connected in that WhatsApp group in various when every time I was putting my personal video. I was person video means messaging to them, encouraging
Right.
them. That is motivation is my one of my because of my story people gets inspired. So
Yes. Yes.
I could encourage them what they have to do. Now you are going to lose the job, so
Mm.
alternative what you should be doing. Same time, keep yourself happy, and once you are keeping happy, please encourage other, pass your energy to other person. That
Right.
minimum 1 person has to encourage and motivate 10 people. That was the education given this through this Paras Money Mission. And
Right.
you will not believe, this is really worked so well, so well.
Can imagine. Yes.
Today, I don't have to look into that. People are carrying forwarding these messages, and they are encouraging each other. They are talking
Right.
about positivity. They are talking
Right.
about the health and wellness. Because
Right.
what I have learned from my father is,
Yeah.
don't run behind a materialistic thing. Run only for two things which belongs to you. One is
Yeah.
education, and second is your health. That has to be your property. That is your property. That you have to work for that, and that's what
Correct.
I do. I encourage. I ask them everybody to respect yourself, and that's what this message gone pass on to the many of them, and that's how that mission got successful. Third,
Yeah.
what I know in the villages, many
Mhm.
times we like technology. Sometimes WhatsApp is so irritating, and
Right.
it's really taking the human life for granted. But
Right.
sometimes you are utilizing this technology in the right direction, so you
Mhm.
can really benefit out of that. And that's what
Right.
I started training the lot many village women,
Mhm.
especially tribal women. I started training them and started making the fancy, beautiful masks like
Ah,
this. This
yes.
mask, you see,
Oh, wow.
beautiful mask. This
Right.
kind of mask, this woman has made this mask, and this is a really,
Wow.
really
So
beautiful
beautiful.
mask. They could make it. So
Right.
these are the things, and today this mask got demand in US and many places.
Yes.
So
Yes.
each woman could earn at least 8 to 10,000 rupees per month in this pandemic period. So that's
Right.
what I feel, and that's how they recognize my efforts,
Right.
and they have offered me a recognition notes, certificates, and lot many things.
Wow. Yeah. So what I'm going to say is that in today's day and age, nobody needs a Paras money. They only need one person, and that's Rekha Chaudhary in their lives.
Thank you. Thanks a
Because
lot.
as soon as Dr. Rekha will touch your lives, believe me, your lives are going to be changed. And they're going to be changed for the betterment of you. So only one person can do that, and that's Dr. Rekha Chaudhary.
In fact, Sonia, what is my mission is that is there should be multiple Rekha Chaudhary who
Yes.
should, who should I always tell everybody don't
Yeah.
look you become. I see everyone has that courage and
Right.
willingness, but sometimes they don't get the right guidance or
Yeah.
direction. So
True.
we are
True.
there just to do that. That's it.
So, wow. Wow. So, this is not the only recognition which you have got during the COVID-19. You've also got the recognition from the IPS authorities. So tell us about that also.
So similar is like, because
Similar.
the kind of work what we have been doing in the
Right.
COVID-19, everyone is, trying their best to do. There are a lot many people in the society, they have the willingness to do something for the society. So if you see the 2000, more than 2000 children, tribal children, I have already transformed their life, educated them in the beauty and wellness industry. I have opened the schools in the tribal areas, and
Yes.
they are getting the education from me on that. So these are the example what I'm just giving you, where they are good nail artists, beauticians, hairdressers, and all these things I could produce, or I could encourage the
Right.
people from the villages, and they could do this. So these are the things which is all the efforts on the bureaucrats places also, like they are recognizing. Now
Right.
I have just recently tied up with the I got Ministry of Sports and Youth, and they
Okay.
have invited me. I have Kolkata team has invited me to open the training institute. So I'm opening the first training institute on with them about teaching the all the women in
Mhm.
the postpartum care for the mother and child, and that is
Right.
my patented therapy
Right.
research and all that, which I
Right.
want to talk to you in details further
Sure.
about all
Sure.
mothers.
Right.
So,
Right.
so these kind of efforts are going on, and of course, it is whatever we do.
Right.
When we ask about something about the success, so
Mhm.
for me is always like that. Success should not stay with you within your criteria. It should spread. It
Right.
should spread, and it should transform the lives. That
Right.
is called success. Otherwise, then just you got all these things. Success means like you got bungalows, a car, or business and money, bank balance, and all that. That that doesn't fascinate me. That doesn't. That automatically these things comes when you have the right direction to work. But similarly, same time, whatever you are earning, at least
Right.
not minimum 20%, but at least give 5-10% to the society. That's what
Right.
I give. Either through your work, either through your whatever, whichever way you can do. But everyone has to understand the responsibility. That's how society, ecosystem can support each other. That's what
Correct.
I do. And that's what I have been doing.
Wow.
So
Very, very insightful and very fantastic thinking, uh, just not being, just for yourself, but for being for others, being
that's
there for others. I think that's wonderful. If we have many a Rekha Chaudhurys, we'll have no person who will be, uh, in fact, each and every person will be financially independent. Each and every person will be independent and self-sufficient. I think that's most important.
that's most
What,
important, right?
yeah, that we need to do, and which you are doing in a wonderful day. That's great. So we were talking just now in conversation. You said that you would be telling us more about the mother and child thing that you all have been doing. So please tell us a little bit more about it,
So,
Doctor.
special research, which is
Right,
focus on the, after the delivery for the mother and child,
right,
for newborn, the new mother especially. So,
right,
I have done the research which is based on the Indian tradition. Seeing my life, you know now, like from
right,
the I have three stages of like in my whole career.
right,
One phase maximum which I spent in the villages and when I came to the city, and from city when I gone to the international. So I
right,
have the three stages in my own success or my
right,
own life. Is
mm,
the village to global? That's how it's my tagline is always village to global,
right,
because village, then urban life, and then international life. All this segment which I have seen very closely, and I have
mm,
led in that segment. So
right,
so when I delivered my baby 34 years back, so my mother had given beautiful rituals to me, and that's what I got in touch with the mother's touch concept, which is today this is published in WHO and
right.
registered in the WHO. I have
Yes,
been. I had invited by the Oxford University, Harvard University,
Yes.
John Hopkins. So
John Hopkins. Yes.
yeah, and today again I'm tying up with the UK, UK government with the UK university also to
Right.
perform further, like educate further the post metal movements. So this particular complete research, which is
Right.
published, and I'm glad to inform you, I am the first author in the world to publish this kind of research on the world platform
Mm.
on the tradition, based on the Indian concept. And
Yes.
this
Yes.
concept which I have completely designed, it's beautifully taking care of the mother and child. And top of
Right.
that, today we talk lot many about the mother's postpartum depression and all that.
Right.
There,
Right. Right.
in the olden days, this word was not existing
Right. Right.
because there was a community, there was the elderly people who was well educated and they were taking
Right.
care of the mother and child. And that's what the
Right.
whole system is designed. System is talking about the complete about the how mother and child can naturally recover after delivery, how
Right.
they can take care of themselves, how she can reduce her fatigueness, her mind fatigueness, everything after the delivery, because she's going through the many challenges. She is losing her job for 1 or 2 years. She is completely changed. Her body is completely changed. Her
Right.
thought processes are changing because she's sitting inside the house. Then, on top of that, she has to after delivering baby, she has to handle that new life in her own life. So, lot
True.
many
True.
challenges are there. Lot
Yeah.
many things.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally.
As a mother. So I'm
Right.
taking care of that mothers through this mother's trust concept, and this
Right.
mother who will be going through this concept or this research, and they
Right.
are going and reading and they are implementing, and of course I am helping them to implement these things. There are the rituals, there are the
Right.
treatment, there are the guidance which is coming from this mother's trust concept, and
Right.
definitely new mother will be the blessed through this because I am blessed because of my mother. And
Right.
today, I am really excited and happy
Mm.
this giving passing to the next generation, which is
Right.
completely disappeared.
Right.
This valuable secret has completely disappeared, and I'm glad that that valuable secret I will be the reason to bring in the society, and
Awesome.
many
Awesome.
many many mothers will be definitely enjoying that, and they will
Right.
listen. That's it.
And I mean, that's such a wonderful thing that you have done, Dr. Rekha, because the mother and child well-being is so important, especially post-delivery. And as it said, that mother and child well-being lifestyle is a gift by our Indian ancestors to our society and to create a healthier civilization. And it's thanks to you that what is created by our civilization, you are spreading it and you are taking it to the world. So,
Yes.
I mean, kudos to you. Seriously, kudos to you. Wow, that's great. So, this brings me to ask you, Dr. Rekha. You all have done this amazing guidelines for the hygiene and septic guidelines during COVID-19. If you could tell us more about it, please.
So when we were approaching for the reopening the industry,
Right.
so there was a challenge front of the government also,
Hmm.
especially ministry that is giving the permission, because beauty and wellness industry was coming under the last list, and
Right.
none of the officer who wanted to give the permission.
Okay.
They were preferring not to open this industry and not
Right.
to take this. But when we were approaching, so I saw that is a lack of or bridging this gap with the certain way was the only and only about the
Right.
hygiene and safety guidelines, which we need to take care of that, and that's what
Hmm.
I collected all these players from the all over India. All the
Right.
top players came together. I am again thankful to them. They have come together and they helped me lot
Right.
to reach to design this guideline.
Right.
So whenever anyone is opening salon or clinic, so what is the specific guideline they have to follow? This is
Right.
designed by us. Like
Mm.
I of course I have taken the initiative. It is my initiative, but I am thankful again all these players who has come along with me. They
Right.
trusted trusted. They showed the trust on me, and they could help to design this structure today. So all the salons and spa, whomever is working today, they are following these guidelines. It is an Indian Professional Beauty and Wellness Guideline. It's called the IPBWA.org. On that, all the guidelines are available for the beauty and salon industry, and they are in wellness industry, and they can follow this guideline, and they can run their salon and spa and barber shops. Because if one person doing mistake will cause a big mistake for the whole industry, punish the whole industry. Now, I know that is so much efforts has been put behind this concept. This approach. Reopening the industry was not easy. Where biggest player was sitting there. Retail industry did not open. Any other industry did not open. But our industry could open because of only because of the certain way which we presented front of the Gadkari sir, and I'm really thankful to them. Again, they have listened to, they have actually understood to us properly, and they help us to reopen the industry. So hygiene and safety guideline is about the whole about the completely. Anyone can go in the salon and spa and wellness places. They should be secure. They should feel secure because whole industry is taking training by us, and they are getting educated by us. I have personally conducted many webinars and educated the industry. So anyone is listening to me, please go to the salon, spa, wherever you want. Please be assured that is our industry is completely safe and secure.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Rekha. I think a lot of people yet have that slight bit of fear in them, about the virus. So I think thank you so much for saying that, because now I think a lot of people, a lot of women, because I think a salon, a beauty parlor is where it's a part of a woman's day-to-day life. A lot of women cannot do without it, and these last 5 months have been like completely torturous, and everybody started coloring their hair at home and doing things like that. But certain things you can do, but there are certain things like your eyebrows and your upper lip. How can you do that? I mean, that's extremely difficult. Yeah. So thank you for doing this.
In fact, everyone should go to the salon, physical salons. They should go instead of calling someone at home, because that is not very secure. As salon is more the place where you can actually, the environment, which place you are going, that is actually what hygiene and safety guideline is teaching them. Completely taken care of by these guidelines. So I would say that everyone should go visit the salons.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Rekha. I can't believe it. Our conversation, the way our time has flown by, and we've actually come to the almost to the end of a conversation. But I'd really like to say that so many milestones you have achieved, Doctor, in your life, right from your village life to the global platform to starting the one-line wellness education to starting this amazing mother's touch which you do, and taking it to foreign shores, to foreign land, something which was our civilization, you're taking it there. You are responsible for it, which is fantastic. And of course the Global Wellness Day, and ZAPE Foundation also, and so many other things that you've been doing. I mean, and so many hats you're wearing, and the number of the numerable awards that you have won with the wonderful work that you have been doing. So I'd really like to say that we wish you all the best and all the success. And as I said, that we don't need a Paras money. We only need Dr. Rekha Chaudhary.
Thanks a lot. And I would love everybody, initiative which is started by me in India is Global Wellness Day. India is, of course, is one initiative. Then now World Wellness Weekend is coming in September 19-20. I would like everyone to celebrate that also, because these are all the specific or specific days. Why we have to celebrate? Because it brings the attention. It brings the awareness. It brings the
Yes.
attention from the
True.
government bodies. One of the important thing which I want to say in December again, World
Yes.
Digital Detox Day is
Right.
coming. That is founded by me. World Digital
Oh,
Detox Day is again talking about the digital devices and digital world,
yes.
how we are connected and how we are mentally, getting involved in that and
Well,
bring
yes.
mental stress and that. So that is mostly focused on the mental wellness and all this. So these are the
Right.
three initiatives which is run by me. One is founded by me. Others
Right.
are my I am the in charge in India and
Right.
celebrated in 95 countries. Top of that, and JEP Foundation, which is again
Right.
the NGO which is focusing more on the village women
Yes.
empowerment and village youth empowerment, and One
Right.
Line Wellness, which is my company,
Yes.
which is focusing more on the high-end luxury,
Right.
skincare and body care products,
Right.
and of course disinfectant products. Because many
True.
times people
Yes.
do not understand while using the products. Now
Right.
disinfectant is flooded in the market, but
Yes.
like what we have launched is technology based disinfect, which is
Okay.
completely different. It 90 days covering, coating the your surface and all everything. So all this kind of new unique products what I am responsible to bring in the Indian market. So these are
Super.
all these whole initiatives or through this company.
Right.
I am able to generate the whatever work I could do. And thanks to
Right.
you, thank you for the inviting me on this platform.
No.
And I want everyone to I want to say all the best to everybody for this pandemic period. Everyone has to be in charge, charge themselves, and they should respect themselves. That's what I would love to tell everybody. Respect yourselves, you will respect world.
Superb. Thank you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, for your wonderful words of wisdom. Truly, I think it was really, really inspiring having this wonderful tete-a-tete with you. And uh, time is running out, so I'd like to say thank you once again to all our wonderful viewers who've been supporting my talk show tete-a-tete at Suvi's Power Meet. And before I go, as I always say, that stay safe and be positive. And Dr. Rekha Chaudhary is available on all social media handles. So do go ahead and see her YouTube channel. She's there, all there for y'all, and she's always there to support everyone who requires it. And please go and check her out. She's there on all the possible social media handles by her name, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. So please go and check it out. And I'd urge and request each and every one of you all to kindly go to my YouTube channel also. That's Dr. Suhani Mendonca. And please go and see all our tete-a-tete talk shows that we do with the wonderful entrepreneurs who have really been the heroes of their arena. So that's me, Dr. Sohani Mendonca. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And on that note, I'd like to say once again, stay safe, be positive, and all you wonderful people out there, if there is something bothering you or there's something which really is irritating you within you, please go and communicate either to a good friend or to your family member who you trust or your inner circle, because keeping it bottled up within you is not going to help you at all. In fact, if you go and communicate to someone, you never know, you may help them solve their problems too, and that's going to be good for your health. Right, Dr. Rekha? So on that note, we shall say bye bye, stay safe, God bless, and once again, thank you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. It was great having you. It was an honor having you on my talk show, Tete a Tete at Suvi's
Thank
Power
you.
Meet. And
Thanks a lot.
God bless
Thanks a lot.
and bye bye.
Bye bye.